In projectile motion, find out the ratio of potential energy to the kinetic energy at the point of maximum height. At maximum height, y component of velocity is 0 and x component is constant, so it is u cos theta. Now potential energy is equal to m into g into h. Equation of h is u square sin square theta upon 2g. Here g is cancelled, so it is m u square sin square theta upon 2. Now kinetic energy at the point of maximum height, that is half into mass of projectile into square of speed, but here speed is u cos theta, so u square cos square theta. Now potential energy divided by kinetic energy, here half mu square is cancelled, so it is sin square theta upon cos square theta, so answer is tan square theta. If theta is equal to 30 degree, then potential energy divided by kinetic energy at the point of maximum height, that is tan square 30, and tan square 30 is 1 by 3. If theta is 45 degree, then this ratio is tan square 45, that is 1. If theta is 60, then potential energy divided by kinetic energy, that is tan square 60, it means 3. Thank you.